Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about want to, wanna, and need to, and the correct pronunciation you will hear in conversational American English. Want to. There are three pronunciations for want to. The first and most common is want to. When you use to connect two verbs, the to is not stressed, so it's pronounced ta. I want to go. I want to eat. Pronunciation, want to. Link the sounds, make it like one word, want to. W, w, one, t, want, want to. I want to go. Want to. Let's practice. Are you hungry? Do you want to eat lunch now?
Yes, I want to eat lunch right now.
Do you want to eat pasta?
Yes, I want to eat pasta.
Do you want to eat lunch right now? Do you want to eat pasta? Very good. The second pronunciation of want to is wanna. Also very common. But why do we say wanna? Because NT, between two vowels, the T is muted. Wanna. I want to go. I want to eat. Now, this is pronunciation. You don't write this. You always write want to. But you pronounce wanna. I want to go. I want to eat. Second pronunciation, wanna. W. W. N. One. Wanna. Wanna. I want to go. Wanna. Let's practice. Are you hungry? Do you want to eat?
Yeah, I want to eat.
Are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Very good. Do you want to eat pasta for lunch?
Yes, I want to eat pasta for lunch.
Do you want to eat pasta for lunch? Very good. Let's look at the pronunciation of the question, what do you want to do? We don't say that. We say, what do you want to do? So first, this is an information question. An information question starts with a question word like what, where, when, or why. So, what do you want to do? For an information question, the intonation goes down at the end. What do you want to do? And stress words, you stress the important words. What is the important word? Your first action, want, is the important word. So, stress, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? The T is changed to a D between two vowels. What do you want to do? Also, you can pronounce you, what do you want to do? Or ya, what do you want to do? Both pronunciations are correct. Let's practice. Make a question.
What do you want to do?
I'm tired. I want to sleep. Make a question. I want to sleep. I'm tired. Make a question.
What do you want to do?
I want to read a book. Make a question. I want to read a book. The third pronunciation of want to is to. The least common, want to. It's only pronounced to when you finish the sentence with to. There's no more after. I want to. I don't want to. Third pronunciation, want to. Link the words together, pronounce like one word. Want to. W, w, one, t, want. Ooh, want to, want to. Let's practice both pronunciations, want to and wanna. Do you want to go out?
No, I'm tired. I don't want to.
Do you want to go out? Very good. What do you want to do?
I want to go to bed.
What do you want to do? Very good. Let's talk about the pronunciation of need to. There are three pronunciations. The first and most common is need to. You're connecting two verbs with to. To is not stressed, so we pronounce it ta. I need to go. Remember, link the words together. Not need to, but together need to. I need to go. Pronunciation, need to. Mm-hmm. E, need, 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 need to. Sounds together like it's one word. Need to. I need to go. Let's practice. Do you need to clean the house?
Yes, I need to clean the house.
Do you need to clean the house? Very good. When do you need to clean the house?
I need to clean the house tomorrow.
When do you need to clean the house? Very good. Let's talk about the question, what do you need to do? We don't pronounce it like that. We pronounce it, what do you need to do? Let's talk about why. First, it's an information question, so the intonation goes down at the end. What do you need to do? What do you need to do? Important words are stressed. What? Need, the verb. What do you need to do? Now we link the words. Not what do, but whata. The T kind of disappears. We pronounce it with the D sound. Whata. Not do, because do is not stressed. We pronounce it duh. Whata. What are you? What are you? Or what are ya? You can pronounce it you or ya. What are you? What do you need to do? What do you need to do? Need to changes to need to. Need to. What do you need to do? What do you need to do? Let's practice. Make a question.
What do you need to do today?
I need to cook dinner. Make a question. I need to cook dinner. Here we have a question for more information. Question for more information. What else? But the pronunciation is what else. The T changes to a D between two vowels. What else? What else do you need to do? Here again we have need to. Because this is an information question, the intonation goes down at the end. What else do you need to do? What else do you need to do? And we stress important words. Here, else is the important word. And need, the verb, is important. So, what else do you need to do? What else do you need to do? Let's practice. I need to cook dinner tonight. Make a question.
What else do you need to do?
I need to mop the floor too. Make a question. I need to mop the floor too. Make a question.
What else do you need to do?
I need to call my boss later. Make a question. I need to call my boss later. Let's talk about the second pronunciation of need to. Need to. Need to is when you have a long idea and you're speaking fast. I need to wash my car today. I need to wash my car today. What happens here is we have two D sounds. This D is a stop D. The tongue goes up. Need. And then you make a complete D sound. You release. Duh. Need to. I need to wash my car today. Pronunciation. Need to. I need to go. I need to go. E. Need. We're going to make a stop D where you put your tongue up and stop. Need. Then we're going to make another D where you release. Duh. Need to. Need to. I need to go. I need to go. And remember, this pronunciation, you don't have to speak like this. The best one for you is need to. I need to wash my car today. But you will hear people saying, I need to. I need to wash my car today. I need to cook dinner tonight. The third pronunciation of need to is need to, and it's the least common. It's only when you finish with to and there's no verb after. There's nothing after. You finish with to. Example, I don't want to, but I really need to. Pronunciation, need to. Sounds together, pronounced like one word, need to. E, need, d, need, t, need. Ooh, need to. Need to. I really need to. Let's practice. Your car is very dirty. Do you want to wash your car today?
No, I don't want to, but I really need to. It's very dirty.
Do you want to wash your car today? Very good. So remember, there are three pronunciations for want to. In most situations, the best option is wanna. I'm hungry. I want to eat pizza. And there are 3 pronunciations for need to. The most common is need to. I need to wash my car today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and watch another one. Keep practicing.